Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Person Tutor speaking, the voice of Boss Man Teaching, and we are going to continue to make abundant tangible habits with plenty of intentional notes to self. Now, where are we going with this? So in a few baby steps, we'll go from addition to subtraction to multiplication to division, the roots, and the inverse called exponents. And of course, if you notice something about fractions, right? Just to put that out there. Raising something to the 2 is actually 2 over 1. Raising something to the 3 is 3 over 1. However, when you invert the exponent, this is how you get the root. So raising something to the 2 over 1 is the square. Raising something to the 3 over 1 is a cube. Whereas raising something to 1 over 2 is the square root. Raising something to the 1 over 3 is the cube root, right? So that is the relationship between the exponent and the root. So hopefully I did a good enough explanation. So apologies for many distractions, yes? So I hope I did a good explanation of the addition sign, right? Or plus sign, and the inverse operation to it, the subtraction, multiplication, and of course the inverse of that being division, and the exponent, as well as the inverse of the exponent called root. Right? Now that means you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 operations for mathematics. But what about this? But quite similarly, in a game of chess, you have 6 essential pieces on the board. You have the king, the queen, the rook, the bishop, the pawn, and of course the knight, right? So yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm a teacher of mathematics, reading, pep, and chess, so I couldn't help but make the analogy, right? Couldn't help it. So that was today's episode of Making Abundant Tangible Habits with plenty of intentional notes to self. There you go.